I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, I'm here to do this intro with my wig hair. I usually always style this with a beret, but I decided to do the intro like this. I don't feel like it looks very realistic, but you guys let me know in the comments down below. I love my hair crimped like this, but I kind of have been refusing to crimp my natural human hair because a couple of years ago I did like irreparable damage to my hair from crimping it and then like washing it and then crimping it every single time. I did that for like a year and a half straight. I do not advise that. Sippy sippy, you guys. I started my early morning wake up life routine again today for the first time in a long time. So I'm finally about to eat lunch. It's like 3 in the afternoon, but I figured I'm gonna film a little bit of this video and then I'm gonna eat my nachos and then I'll finish it. Anyway, you guys, today, all the way from Amazon Japan, I have yet another Re-Ment mini collection. I have been loving opening these lately. We've done makeup minis and drugstore minis, and then I found these, which originally I thought were K-pop, but hello, I feel like that's kind of a silly thought because they also have J-pop from Japan, and these Re-Ment minis are made in Japan. So it's supposed to be, what is it technically called? Life with my fave. And it's all, I'm gonna keep saying K-pop accidentally, but it's all like J-pop, like things you would have like as a fan of something, you know, like I think there's a t-shirt, there's like a light stick, a little thing of luggage, like if you were gonna go on tour and like follow the band at each like city stop. We've got a lot of cute options here. Let's just get started, you guys. I have, how many is this left? 7, I think. I did open one already for my daily Snapchat story. If you don't follow me there, you're missing out because generally every day I do some kind of like relaxing ASMR style unboxing and then just other like random, like it's my everyday life kind of thing. So let's take a look. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be like balloon letters. Oh my god, is that gonna be like paper or like 3-dimensional plastic? I don't know, you guys. Sometimes I set up a second camera for this and sometimes I do like I'm doing today. Either way, I think it's like, I think it's okay. So let's see what we got. Oh my god, I saw something gold and I was like, is it the balloons? No. What is that? Is that like gonna be honey? I guess. It looks like there's a dessert or something. What am I looking at? Okay, time to slice open the package. Oh my god, you guys, there's like a lot of paper items in this last section. Thing 1, which I'm thinking now, that's what this is for? Oh, does it clip on? Kind of. It more or less like sits on. I don't know. I think that this is meant to be a tiny little cake. And I think this is obviously meant to be some kind of maybe like honey, honey drizzle. It doesn't stick on there too well. There we go. Maybe I just didn't have it sitting on right. That's the thing about Re-Ment is they basically have like one way that they all fit together. The other thing that was in here is this plate that I'm gonna set the cake on. Can anyone translate what the plate says? Look at that. We have a delicious dessert cake. Then, oh my gosh, okay, look at that. It's like a clear person cut out with something else behind it. So I bet some of these sticker sheets, let me just show you the other things that came in here. I bet we're gonna assemble like, you know those mini desk like figure, almost like cardboard cutout kind of things? I don't know what this is. UTA Touch. Maybe it's supposed to be some kind of like smart tablet or like one of those smart picture frames. Anyway, I love the tiny little microphone. That is So cute. And this was like the bundle of paper items. We have this, which is a tiny little plastic bag. You can actually like put items in it. And then, okay, this is gonna be the tablet screen. And then this is our little figure. It's like a drink and a little bandmate member. And this looks like a carpet or something. So let me assemble all the stickers and I'll be right back. All right, you guys. So I, of course, had to consult the little pamphlet, which look at all these little extras. There is a super long CVS-like receipt, and I can't tell if these are just meant to be like pictures or trading cards, and it even gives us a little bit of information about our J-pop idol here. And this is the little pad kind of thing. I still literally don't know what this is, so if y'all do, let me know. And then this is our little 3D stand thing all assembled. This is actually really adorable. I didn't get the base sticker on perfectly straight, but hey, you know, it's the thought that counts. So I'm trying to see what set. Oh, let's sing karaoke. Now it makes so much more sense. So this is like a dessert that you would get at a karaoke bar. I kind of wish we had those in the States. I'm sure we do somewhere, but I'm not sure if there's any of them as fancy of an experience as they are in Japan. So that's what this pad is like to select the songs. Makes perfect sense. The microphone you'd be singing into, and like the specialty drinks and stuff. Okay, it all makes sense. So this was set number 2. Let's open another box and see what are we gonna get this time. You guys, I was filming a TikTok this morning and I kind of like to just have wild and crazy energy. Have I said this before? But every single time I'm like jumping and popping out of boxes and yelling, it makes my throat feel weird. Like, I feel like I'm gonna like lose my voice or something. But what did we get this time? Oh my gosh. Wait, is this gonna be the birthday one? So this is actually the LIGHTSTICK kit. But look at this. I kind of can't believe we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different, I almost said flavors, 7 different colors of heart toppers for the LIGHTSTICK. I was like, wait, are these balloons? And then this is the LIGHTSTICK base. Now, how amazing would it be if it actually could glow? Like, I was just thinking, wouldn't that be so cool? Because I'm like, wait, why did they give like so many different colored hearts? I guess it's for the most like realistic experience possible, because I know a lot of times the LIGHTSTICKs, like for certain bands, obviously they'll have certain colors, and some of them also like change colors. So maybe that's why, like if you were doing like stop motion animation or something, you could like take out all the different colors of hearts and change them. This almost looks like a wallet, but there's also those like books, you know, where you put like the collector's cards for different like K-pop, J-pop bands. So I'm not sure if this is meant to be a wallet or like a place to put collector cards. It definitely looks more like a wallet. It's not very flexible. It kind of, oh, there we go. Okay, I got it to close, but I'm not sure how long it will stay closed like that. I just wish these little accessories like this were actually made of fabric instead of plastic. Okay, so the other things for the wallet are more like paper cutout things. So next we're gonna make our little fan. Oh my gosh, these must have just come out because it says Live Tour 2022. So I just got the stickers on there. There's side 1 and there's side 2. There's more information about another member of the band. I'm not sure what that is. It's double-sided It's like this cute little like bunny thing. I'm not sure what that would be. And then we have like some cards to place in the wallets. Maybe passes, fan cards. I don't know. Love and fave. Sleepy rabbit. You guys, sometimes I feel like I should like bust out Google Translate. Let me open another one. So there's like a mini CD player, I think, in one of these. And that's kind of, oh my God, yes, I think, oh, this is gonna be so fun. This might be my new favorite Re-Ment set ever. So here is our little furniture piece. And so this is a little drawer, and the drawer actually, of course, opens. What a cute little piece of furniture. But this is the set, honestly, that kind of drew me to this whole like set collection. It's mini CDs. I think this is also a tiny laptop as well. So this is kind of just like some of the most amazing stuff that I've ever seen. Okay, I'm gonna dump it all out. I wish I had the second camera angle now for this. So here is our mini laptop, and I hope, oh my gosh, yes, look at how cute this is. It's like a rose gold MacBook Pro is kind of what it looks like. So I'm sure we're gonna have a sticker for the screen. Then we have what appears to be, and can it plug in? Oh, I don't think it can really, maybe? Oh my God, it does. Look at this. It's a CD disk drive. Look at that, and it actually does plug in like a little USB cable. Then we have all of these jewel cases. I thought we had 3. No, we just have 2. But look at this, you guys. It's actual openable jewel cases. Oh my God. Okay. I was like having a moment. There was just like a clear piece of plastic, but I think that this slides in to the desk because it's one of those like luxe kind of clear, you know what I mean. Look at how cute these are. I feel like these are some of my favorite tiny little minis of all time. We got, I'm not sure if they would have been gashapon or if they were just like random keychains, but I actually like did an unboxing of these a long time ago where they were little mini CD keychains. They were also from Japan, and they had like real discs that you could take out of the jewel cases as well. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's why. At least one of the jewel cases is actually one of those like double CD, you know what I mean? Ah, do the CDs actually stay in there though? They just kind of set in there. I'm gonna have to like close it to show you guys. So yeah, that's what it looks like. They do like close up in there, but if I open it, you know, it doesn't, it's not actually like stuck. Well, is it now? I don't know. It didn't really feel like it was like clicking into place. Ah, see? They do kind of fall out, but they do fit in there and it does close. Yeah, and then this is just a single disc jewel case. So that makes sense why there's 3 discs and only 2 jewel cases. But let me try and load one of the CDs. Yeah, look, that's so cute. You can like actually slip it into the CD drive if you wanted to. And now let me see the paper thing. I'm trying to see if it looks like I drop stickers out anywhere. It's because obviously the jewel cases have stickers or inserts for the front as well as the laptop. What's going on? Oh, still in the box. Okay, hang on. I was like, where are the jewel case inserts? Like at first I thought we were gonna have to cut them out of the paper. More info about another band member. So this looks like it's a poster or maybe a little magazine. I don't know what those items are meant to be. But yeah, let me put the stickers on. All right, you guys, here is the laptop complete with screen. I think that looks absolutely adorable. And I did put the stickers temporarily on the front of the jewel cases, but personally, I think I'm gonna peel them off just because, in my opinion, like, it looks cooler to just have the clear jewel case sleeves so you can see the CDs on the inside. It just makes it look a little less realistic to me. Like, this is normally, if there's gonna be stickers or paper things, like, even though it always makes me nervous to put the stickers on these tiny items, I would rather have the paper things in this case than the stickers. Usually I prefer the stickers over the paper things. This time I would have preferred paper things over stickers, if that makes any sense. Just because I feel like that would have been more realistic for CDs. Because they don't have stickers, you know, they have like paper booklet inserts. So yeah, but the CDs, definitely my favorite. So this is actually set number 1 and it's called New Release CD. Very, very cute. So we still have some of these left. I usually open about like 3 per video because, as you guys can see, I'm sure these take a really long time to open and they're always chock full of little extras and details, some assembly required. So yeah, I would love to know how y'all like these compared to like the drugstore ones and the makeup ones we just did. So yeah, let me know all of you guys' thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!